Good evening. I'd like to show you tonight on how to log on and use Podomatic for your next assignment coming up on embedding a podcast onto our wiki. If you can log in or put this address in your URL, www.podomatic.com. This page will come up. You go into, I don't know if you have an account. If so, great. If not, you want to select the sign up. Once you get in the sign up mode, you have two choices, either pro or basic. And let's go with the basic. The basic gives you easy to use podcast tools, gives you 500 megabytes of storage. So that's pretty cool. So we'll sign up. Once you do this, you put in your full name, your email address, your password, your birth date. You may read the Podomatic terms of service and then join. Once you do, you should be able to log in. I'm going to log in now to put in my login. Once you get onto the Podomatic page, you'll see that you have a home, you have podcasts, you can listen to other ones, cities you're in. If you want to listen to published podcast, if you want to make a mini cast. But what I would like for you to do is go over here to the new episode and select new episode. Once the new episode comes up, first thing you want to do is write a title and a description. In this case, you really, for your assignment, you're going to be looking at Common Core standards. So I'm going to name this podcast Common Core standards. You can give it a description if you want. That's fine. You want to save and continue. Next is audio video is the next step. We're going to select an audio or video clip, what I like for you to do is to record your podcast using a microphone. Once it comes up, it's going to come up and it's going to ask you, okay, what do you want to use? Well, in this case, I'm using a web camera or microphone. I know some of you in the class have a MacBook. Some of you have some advanced PCs, which will have, if you can do video casting or you can use Skype, then you have a microphone already built in to your computer. If you look right here, it says microphone, built-in microphone. Some of you, if you don't have one, you might have to go to Walmart or Radio Shack or possibly another store. I'm trying to think of the name of the one right across the street from Walmart at Easton, which is Staples. You might be able to pick up a speaker or a mic which you can plug into your computer. In this case here, I have a mic built in. I'm going to hit record. It takes a minute for it to, oh, there we go. That was quick. To log in rather. The camera and microphone access. It's a JavaScript program, and so what you want to do is allow that. Okay, we want to allow that. There it is. And right now, it's starting to record. You can see right here on the green side, or the volume label right here, you can see the closer I get to the mic, the louder it gets. Right now, we are recording. So at this point, what you would like to do, or what I would like for you to do is, have you give me your opinion of Common Core standards. Once you finish that and you've completed your podcast, I would suggest that you write a script out and then practice reading the script a couple of times before you do make the podcast. That way you won't be like some of my lectures stuttering in the middle of it. I'm going to go to just about, right about now is good. I'm going to stop it. Now I can listen to it. I can play again and listen. And right now, it's starting to record. You can see right here. At this point, I can stop it. I can re-record it if I wanted to. But in this case, I'm going to save this. Now it's going to ask you if you want a photo on this, or if you, if you want some type of media plugged in onto this, if you want. But I'm going to select, I don't want to select a photo. I'm going to skip this set. Tags, in here you can write a tag for Common Cores, or you can call it CC if you want. CC for Common Core. I'm going to save this and continue on. Now it's going to say review and publish. Okay, it's in the format of MP3, which is what I want. I'm not going to upgrade to the new Pro feature. I like to have it published now. I'm going to go down to the bottom and save and continue. At this point right now, it's getting ready to perform the format conversion and getting ready to upload it onto Podomatic's site. This may take a couple of minutes to do that, but once it is up there, you're going to see this episode up here. It'll come on and say publish. You can wait here, or you can click to this site here if it's published. View episode page. Looks like something's coming up. Common Core standards. There it is. And right now, it's starting to record. I can go over here. I'm going to select pause. Now what I want to do is show you how to embed this on our wiki. Go right over here to embed. You get the embedding code for it. I'm going to select it, edit copy. I'm going to go down to our wiki. Let's see, I thought I had our wiki up. There's our wiki. I'm going to go into edit. Of course, you'll be doing this on your wiki page, on your assignment page. I'm going to cursor down just a little bit on that, give it some space. I'm going to go to widget, and I'm going to use a video widget on this. Other video. I'm going to select the box, edit paste, make sure the code is in there. It is. I'm going to preview it real quick just to see if it'll come up. Wow, there it is. Common Core standards. I'm going to save this. Once I save this, I'm going to go and save it on our wiki. As I cursor down, it may take a minute or so for it to come up, but it'll be there in a minute, maybe two, hopefully soon. There it is. And there's our Common Core standard podcast. Thank you. We'll discuss more of this during our class time. Thank you.